Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today is the 30th of December and it is 1:20 AM. It is particularly cold in Bangalore since the past 2 to 3 days. And also we have the first internals of second year coming up from the 2nd of January, and I still have a lot of syllabus to cover. So this vlog is going to be me preparing for the exam, for how the exams went, and me, a week of studying before the internals. So yeah, let's get started. So until now, I think I have covered a major chunk of pathology. Pharmac is going to be dealt with in the next 3 days, that is the 30th, 31st and the 1st. And for microbio, we'll deal with the subject a day before the exam. Guys, it is 11:45 on the 31st of December 2024 and I am here studying pharmacology for the internals, which is on the 2nd of January. But it's fine, these exams will get over in like 10 days. Hi guys, good morning. It is 1:20 AM today and we have the pharmacology exam at around 11:30. So I slept at 11:30 yesterday. So that's around 1 hour 50 minutes of sleep. I still have a lot to complete. So yes, let's get to study. Good morning guys. So I have survived on 1.5 hours of sleep. Let's hope the exam goes well. Look at the beautiful sunrise. So today is the 3rd of January and it is 12:30 AM. I finished my pharmacology exam today. It went alright and I could not vlog after that because I was particularly tired. We got 3 hours of sleep after that and I have microbio today. So I have to pull another all-nighter. Let's go. Good morning guys. So it is 6:30 in the morning today and it is particularly cold in Bangalore since the past few days, but okay, now I have the microbiology exam in like 5 hours, so let me get ready and study last minute preparations. Guys, so I'm in college right now and the exam is going to start in like 1 more hour.
How is your preparation for the exam?
Preparation is good. I am currently running on 1 Sting and 1 coffee. I referred ChatGPT completely.
Okay.
ChatGPT.
Srivatsa, how is your preparation for the exam? Okay.
Guys, the exam is done and now we are at Simply Namdari's, my favorite place for salads. Let's go. Good morning. So today we have the pathology exam. It is the last theory exam. I slept for around 3 hours yesterday. So finally after today's exam I'll get some proper sleep. So looking forward to that. So now we are inside college. It is the last theory paper today, pathology. So the pathology exam is done and now we are done with all the 3 exams. We have a 2-day gap between the theory and the practical exams and I'm going to catch up on sleep during that time. I have not slept properly for the past 3 days. So yes, very excited for that. So now we have a 2.5 day gap between the theory and the practical exams and I have decided to watch Ye Jawani Hai Diwani, which is re-released in theatres. It's one of my favorite movies of all times. So yeah. my microbiome exam right now. You can see my hand from staring. It was a pretty simple exam. The viva was chill. So I have to prepare for patho tomorrow. Let's go. I am going back to the metro station. Guys, so the clean shave look is for the practical exam. I have my patho exam tomorrow, practicals, and I realized that I do not have H&E pencils, so I'm going now to the store to get H&E pencils. Hope the exam goes well tomorrow. Good morning, guys. It is 4:30 AM. I got up at 3:30 today because I slept the entire time after coming back from the microbiome practical yesterday. So yes, we have to complete studying for the exam. I'll tell you how it goes in some time. Guys, so it's 8:30 right now and I have the exam at 11. Last minute completion of the record. Good morning, guys. I have my pharmacology practical exams today. It is the last exam. Let's go. And I've been awake since I think 2 in the morning because I started pretty late. I got the record printed at around 10 yesterday. So yes, ultimately we are going to get our freedom back. Let's go. Guys, now I want to take a break from studying at this point. So let's just go up and have a look at the beautiful skyline. So yes, I am on the terrace of my house right now. And this is my favorite place to take a break from studying or take a break from anything. The view is just so beautiful from up here, the skyline of Bangalore. So yeah, that's a metro going there. We finally come to the end of the exam season. Pharmacology practical has been completed. It was pretty simple as well. So finally, both the theory and practical exams have come to an end. That was 10 days of studying way too much. Now we are going to BLR Brewing Co. as, celebrating the fact that exams are over. So here we come to the end of the vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And you guys can also follow me on Instagram. My ID is Shreyas_GR8. You have to press underscore twice. And see you again next week.